Welcome to my channel. In this video we want to solve for the sum of these series, but then this problem looks quite very simple, but when you try to apply the formula directly, I doubt if you have the answer. So it's a bit tricky. So what do you need to do? If I apply the sum, I quote the formula for the sum of an AP. If I quote this formula and decide to substitute everything in, maybe I have my first term to be 2 and my d, which is the common difference, to be 4 minus 2, and the result is 2, and then the last term is 100. So then how do we get this n? Because you can't get the number of term in this point at this point. So that way you can be able to fix this by applying the formula direct. So what are you supposed to do first? You're going to apply the formula that we have introduced in the previous videos. If you've not watched the videos, I will drop the link to those videos in the description of this video, so just click and watch to get more information about this. So we're going to use this formula where we have a plus n minus 1 and then have d attached to it equal to L, because this formula is for nth term of an AP, to calculate the number of terms of an AP. All right, so but then when the last term is given like this 100, you need to fix it there. So what are we supposed to do at this point? So we just fix the first term, which is 2 plus n minus 1. The common difference there is 2 and the last term is 100. Alright, so what do we need to do again? We have to use this to distribute into the bracket. So we have 2 plus 2 times n is 2n minus 2 times 1 is 2 equal to 100. So the next phase of this is of course 2 minus 2 will be 0. So 2n now will be equal to 100. So n will be equal to, by the time you divide both sides by the coefficient of n, which is 2, you have 100 divided by 2, and that will give us 50. So therefore the n is 50, which is the number of 10. This was what could not allow us to solve using the other formula. So now you can apply that formula and substitute whatever it is you've gotten into it. So we have n over 2. Sometimes you can use 1 over 2n. It's still the same thing. 2a plus n minus 1 d. So we are looking for the 50th term, which is s subscript 50, equal to 50 divided by 2 into 2 multiplied by 2, which is a, the first term, into 50 minus 1. The common difference is also 2. Alright, so what do we need to do? S subscript 50, which is the 50th sum, this will give 25 by the time you divide 50 by 2. And then what do we have here? 2 times 2 will be 4 into, we're missing plus here, okay, 50 minus 1, that was 49, multiplied by 2. So by the time you follow the basics of your board mass, you have 25 into 4 plus 2 times 49 will give 98. So s subscript 50 will equal to 25 into 48 plus 98 plus 4, that will be 102. So by the time you multiply 25 by 102, I think you should be having 2550. You may want to cross check that, and then if it corresponds to what you have on your calculator, on the screen of your calculator, then we are correct. So that is the solution to this problem. I hope this is simple. Please hit the subscribe button, like this video, comment, and make sure you turn on the notification bell so that when I upload new video, you get notified. Bye bye.